welcome back. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fraction into a different fraction that is equal to it. So let's get started. So let's start with halves. So we start with 1/2, then we go to 2/4. These are equal fractions. Then we can go to 2/4 to 3/6. Those are equal fractions, but you cannot go from 3/6 to 4/9. That does not work. So let's try with quarters. 1/4 equals 2/8, but 2/8 does not equal 3/4. So that is halves and quarters. So now let's actually focus on making a fraction into a different fraction that's equal to it. Now we're going to do 5/10 into 10/20, which is half to half. So it is equal. 5/10, 10/20. How you do this is you multiply 5 by whatever you number, like write a fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator by whatever number you want, and then you have your new fraction. It's really easy. So let's try it with 5/10 and 10/20. 5 times 2 is 10, and then 10 times 2 is 20. So we have an equal fraction, 5/10, 10/20. It's really easy. So now it's your turn. Bye everybody, thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button and ring the bell and hit the like button, and please comment down below if you can and tell me if you learned. Bye!